Hey, let me show you how you can speed up your OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to go into the settings. And first we are gonna start with the high performance mode that you can find in the battery. Then scroll all the way down and select more settings. Now tap on the switcher to activate the high performance mode. Next, we'll have to go into the about the device, and right here we can simply enable a RAM expansion, so we can add additional 8 gigs of the RAM into our smartphone. And if you actually move this slider to the 8 gigs, you will have to just restart your smartphone to apply these changes. So we can restart now or later, you can decide. Next, if you want to also speed up your smartphone, it will be really useful to get rid of all unused apps, or for example the bloatware. So yes, we can find here some apps that are actually installed as default, like for example this Bubble Pop. The same with the booking.com, and just simply get rid of any application that you are just not using. It will definitely speed up your smartphone. And so as you can see, there's actually some apps that you probably don't need to use. Next, it's actually recommended to move into the display and the brightness, and then enable the 120 Hz refresh rate. There we go. So we'll actually get really smooth display, really nice and cool looking animations. If you have, for example, slow internet connection, it's useful to get the Wi-Fi assistant and enable the dual channel network acceleration. So it's actually using the Wi-Fi and the mobile data at the same time for the faster internet experience. So just turn it on with the switcher and you will definitely find the difference. And the last tip that I would like to show you, it will be available in the additional settings. Then we have to go into the accessibility. And now we are searching for the animations. There we go. So click here to remove the animations, and now everything will open and close a little bit faster without this animation transition. And this is it for this video, my tips to speed up this device. Tell me if it works, and now please subscribe to my channel.